When I wear my hair curly, it's unprofessional, but when it's straight, I'm not embracing my natural beauty.
Everyone tells me to lose weight, but when I do, they say I'm too skinny and I look unhealthy.
When I wear makeup, I'm misleading, but when I don't look put together.
When I use proper grammar, I'm whitewash, but when I don't, I'm ghetto.
Who do you want me to be? There's no middle ground.
No matter what, they won't accept me.
Why should I care what they think?
No matter what I do, they'll judge. So why should I care?
Everyone is beautiful in their own way. Celebrate your uniqueness.
Be you.
Be you.
Be you.
Be you.
Be you.
Be you.